Paying for ads on Facebook involves using Facebook's Ad Manager. Access Facebook Ad Manager, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ads Manager section. Click on Create to start a new ad campaign. Campaign objective. Choose the primary goal for your ad campaign, whether it's brand awareness, traffic, conversions, etc. Target audience. Define your target audience by demographics, interests, behaviors, or custom audience segments. Ad placement. Select where you want your ads to appear on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, or Messenger. Set budget and schedule. Decide on the budget for your ad campaign. You can opt for a daily or lifetime budget and set the duration for your ads to run. Ad creative. Create compelling ad content, images, videos, or carousel ads with engaging copy that aligns with your campaign objective. Ad formats. Choose from various ad formats like single image or video, slideshow, collection, etc. based on your content and objectives. Review and launch. Review all the details, preview your ad, and then click confirm or launch to start running your ad campaign. Monitor performance. Keep track of your ads performance using Facebook Ads Manager. Adjust targeting, budgets, or content based on analytics to optimize your ads effectiveness.